Hi YouTube. These are some of the cards from the Vending Machine Series 3 set. Yes, I said it correctly, Vending Machine. These cards actually came in a vending machine in Japan in 1998. And that's the back, that's what it looks like. Pocket Monsters they used to be called. So those are extra rule cards, those are card lists. So it shows you all the Pokemon that are in this set. And that strange character is one of the artists for Pokemon. And over there at the bottom, that's him again. Very strange cards. But they're real. 100% real.